Welcome to the EdbMails Office 365 to PST Export, a step-by-step guide. Are you searching for a reliable method to backup or archive your Office 365 mailbox data? EdbMails provides a secure and efficient solution for exporting your Office 365 mailboxes to PST format, ensuring your data remains intact. With EdbMails Office 365 migration software, you can quickly export your Office 365 mailbox data including emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and notes directly to a PST file with just a few clicks. Experience the ease of exporting your Office 365 data with EdbMails. Our user-friendly tool guarantees reliability and high performance for export operation requirements. Let's start the export process step by step. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Office 365 Migration. Select Office 365 to PST Export. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Browse. Select the location to store the exported data. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Office 365. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Office 365 server. To export Office 365 to PST, Microsoft Outlook must be installed on your system with a profile. Click Next to continue. Click Start Export. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the export operation report. That's it. For a hassle-free Office 365 to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.